Fifth graders, let's talk about combining sentences with conjunctions and using commas to make those compound sentences. A simple sentence expresses one complete thought. So in the last unit, we talked about subjects and predicates, and we know that each sentence has a subject and a predicate. Well, a compound sentence contains two simple sentences joined by a comma and the words and, but, or. And so those compound sentences would have two complete sentences that we're bringing together. A conjunction joins words or groups of words, and, but, and or are conjunctions. So those are the three conjunctions we'll be working on during this lesson, or working with. When you write a compound sentence, you use a comma before the conjunction. So it's always comma, conjunction. Let's take a look at some examples. We're going to read each sentence below. We're going to underline the conjunction, and we're going to put the comma in the correct place. So in the first sentence, limited rainfall or lengthy drought can cause wildfires, but these fires can also be caused by campfires or a stray match. I know that the word but is a conjunction, so I'm going to underline it. Now, if I were to just double check and make sure that that is where my sentences combine, I would check and see that limited rainfall or lengthy drought can cause wildfires is a complete sentence. These fires can also be caused by campfires or a stray match is also a complete sentence. So the word but combines these two sentences, making it a compound sentence. And I always put my comma before my conjunction. Number 2, helicopters can drop chemicals to slow flames, and firefighters can set up fire lines. Well, I know that and is a conjunction, so I'm going to underline my conjunction. Helicopters can drop chemicals to slow flames is a complete sentence. Firefighters can set up fire lines is a complete sentence. So and combines my two simple sentences to make a compound sentence, and my comma goes before my conjunction. Tiny bonsai trees may look like young plants, but they are full grown. Again, but is a conjunction. Tiny bonsai trees may look like young plants is a complete sentence. They are full grown is a complete sentence, so I combine my two simple complete sentences with a comma conjunction. Many areas in the world are covered with trees, but the Arctic tundra is treeless. Again, but is my conjunction. I always put a comma before my conjunction. And I'll move on to the last one, number 5. Moisture is absorbed and then it evaporates and falls as rain. I have to be careful in this one. I have two ands. So I have to decide where am I combining two complete sentences. Moisture is absorbed is a complete sentence. Then it evaporates and falls as rain is a complete sentence. So I think that this and is my conjunction. Now just to check, if I were to read the words after this and, falls as rain is just a fragment. So I know that this is my comma conjunction. You're going to take some time to complete a compound sentence activity using commas and conjunctions, and then check back in to correct it here with me. Also watch Schoolhouse Rock's Conjunction Junction.